In this video from Device Doctor, I will fix Epson EcoTank ET-4800 Error 11. The printer shows the ink pad is at the end of its service life.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
This error appears when the waste ink pad counter reaches its limit. Epson printers track the amount of waste ink during cleaning and maintenance. When the counter is full, the printer stops working and shows this message. To reset the waste ink pad counter and clear the stored value in the printer memory, you need the Epson Adjustment Program. I have provided this program for free on the Device Doctor Telegram channel, and you can download it using the link available in the video description. Before opening and extracting the file, make sure to temporarily disable your antivirus software. Otherwise, the antivirus may detect the cracked files and remove them automatically. Now open the program and follow the instructions shown in the video. Everything is clearly explained step by step, making the whole process simple and easy to complete. Please note that this adjustment program can be used for many Epson EcoTank ET series models. In this video, we are using it specifically for the Epson ET-4800. Here, check all three options and then click the check button to verify whether the waste ink pad counter has actually reached its limit or not. As you can see, the counter has reached 100%. Now select all three options again, and this time click on the initialize button to reset the waste ink pad counter. Now turn off the printer and then turn it back on to complete the reset process completely. If this video helped you fix Epson EcoTank ET-4800 Error 11 and reset the waste ink pad counter successfully, I hope it was useful for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Device Doctor, and turn on notifications to stay updated with more printer repair tutorials and solutions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.